My iPod 7th Gen Nano, this device has always had this problem with this battery that's kind of drained, and it's been there for over 15 years, I think, for 14 years. But it has been, it's done a wonderful job, it's served its purpose, and I really wanted to keep it. This is one of the best ones available. It's also got a radio, it's got Bluetooth, so it's pretty much out there in the open as the best of a music player. But the challenge I have at the moment is the battery, which is quite problematic. But it's got literally everything. Look at that. The timing and stuff that you can adjust, and all these settings, etc. It's a really cool product. So what I wanted to do is use this power bank, which has this flat surface, and it does nothing, only scratches and stuff. Obviously I can use this to charge a device and stuff. But I thought it's got a big battery, 5000 milliamp hours. Why not just stick this guy on top and then use the music player when I'm using the power bank, and it gets constant power supply. It doesn't discharge and stuff like that. I get to retain the music system off the iPod Nano, and I just get to use the charger as well, because this surface does not get used at all. So as you can see, of course, there's quite a few scratches and really much off. It's just disgusting that you've got such a cool device and doesn't have anything other than it's quite useful. And it's quite useless to have such a big power bank with such a big lip, and it's just literally of no use at all. So I'm going to do, and this is wireless of course, so I'm not going to be sticking it here. My plan is to stick it over here. So I'm going to just simply stick it here and connect the lightning connector to charge, and then just simply use the music player with Bluetooth, right? And I've got these 3M tapes, 2 parts, so I'm going to use them at the back here and here, or something like that, in a combination that sticks to the most of its surface. That's the plan, and let's do it now, right? So here's the 3M tape. I'm going to take this one off, stuff off the back, or the front, depends. This is off now already. Looks like the same as what we have here. So you've got this out, and here's your iPod. What I'm going to do is, obviously I'm going to have to, difficult decision, I'm going to have to make the iPod disappear. So that's been stuck well, really. And I'm going to do a bit of a trim on here, because it seems that it's got a bit of a lip. Or I'm going to do this. So I've got 2 options. Either way, the aim is to maximize. So I might just do this. I don't know. Or perhaps this. Let me do this. I think that's probably ideal. So here's what I've ended up doing. I've got these stuck onto the sides, and I've had some excess on this one that I've cut off, and I've pasted on the top. So I've got maximum coverage, and nothing's been wasted basically. And let's just open the sticker cover, and we should be ready to go. We should also clean this surface so it's ready for sticking on. And so we've got this guy that needs to be taken off, and this is the last one, the top end. Alright, so this is all ready to be stuck on. I'm going to have to be very careful here. So it's now been stuck on, and it's like a combined set now, as you can see. This is your iPod Nano 7th Gen, and now it's going to be there. It's going to survive. It's going to be running for longer. And look at the body. It's been ages since I've had this, but I've always loved it. Of course, I might not be able to do the fitness stuff, which was quite handy with this device, but you have to compromise on some of the things to gain the rest. So it works, and I'm quite glad that I've installed it. And should there be some problem, all you need to do is just pull it apart, and it's going to be off. But so far so good. It looks pretty cool. And it's got Bluetooth, so that's kind of a day saver. So if you need to play, just keep this in your pocket, and you have a playlist along, and just all you need is a lightning port that will connect over here to any of these ports, right? So nice and simple. And here's my new iPod with all the power of 5000 milliamp hours underneath. So really looking forward to using this device, and I'm going to feed you more information later on how things are as a power bank, as a music player. So let's figure it out together. Alright, cheers, bye.